Our team of meteorologists was hard at work last night during these storms.
Let's bring in meteorologist John Birchfield. John, not everyone saw storms, but for those who did, how strong were they?
Yeah, Melissa, we're starting to get a better idea on the data on just how powerful and widespread the severe weather was across the country. We have 29 preliminary tornado reports spanning a number of states, including here at home in Ohio and Michigan. Here are some of the local storm reports we saw in Paulding. That is where the tornado touched down, and it is likely that one thunderstorm cell produced a trail of funnel clouds and likely tornadoes stretching all the way up into Henry County. I do want to show you some photos and also give you some better data on what we know right now. Here is a look at this powerful thunderstorm. This is what we call a supercell thunderstorm. It is discrete and individual. While the Toledo metro was dry, that thunderstorm was trekking all the way from northern Indiana through north central Ohio. Here's a look at some of the damage in the storm reports that we saw. Starting off with a likely tornado that occurred in Melrose. Cindy captured that one of a funnel lowering from the sky. And I've got another photo to share with you. This one coming in from Continental. That is a funnel cloud that also could have produced a tornado. The storm survey teams are still gathering some data and analyzing the damage to get back to us. Also, we saw some large hail that occurred in northern Indiana, up to 3.5 inches in diameter. Now today there is another severe weather risk well to the south of us in portions of Missouri as well as Tennessee, where the severe weather threat continues to be ongoing. We're likely to have some updated information from the National Weather Service within the next 24 hours or so. So be sure to turn on WTOL 11 News at 11 p.m. for updates on possible tornado